to 3 dinners for about $35 from Aldi. So starting off with meal number 1, which was about $9 for 4 servings, we have a creamy fish with roasted potatoes and carrots. So for this meal, it was really, really simple to make. You just chop and prep your veggies, and then you season your fish, and you dump that into a casserole pan, and then put it in the oven, and you let the oven do its thing. So once it's done, it's going to be bubbling and oh so delicious, just like this. And then you plate it up, and look at that flaky, delicious fish. Everyone loved it. It was amazing. It was delicious. And to think, it's only about $9 per serving. And then for meal number 2, we were whipping up Philly cheesesteaks with fries, which is about $13 for 6 servings, y'all. Not 13 servings, $13 for 6 servings. And then for this, it took about 30 minutes, maybe a little bit less, but you just, pop those fries into the oven, and then you whip up the, shaved steak with those green peppers and onions and cheese. And this is what it looked like. It was delicious. For meal number 3, it was an Asian chopped salad with chicken for about $12 for 4 to 5 servings. I really went into the store to get that pre-packaged mix, but they didn't have any. So I said, boom, we're going to make this work. So I ended up buying just a bag of lettuce, and I, had some carrots from meal number 1. So chopped up those. Then I made some chicken. I baked it over oranges and onions, as well as, seasoned that bad boy up so it tasted oh so delicious. So just put that into the oven. And then with this salad, so how I'm going to make it is I'm going to take some lettuce and then put some of the chopped carrots, the green onions, and then we toasted some almonds and sesame oil. So we're going to put that on the salad as well. And then top it with that baked chicken, as well as the mandarin oranges, and then just drizzle some of that Asian sesame salad dressing right over top, and boom, you have a delicious salad, and you didn't even need the chopped salad mix. And I think I actually like it this way better. So I'm going to do it this way going forward next time for sure. Rounding out to about $34 for these 3 meals, and they were so delicious. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you subscribe for more and click the link so you can get these meals in your inbox.